reverse prompt engineering is the greatest trick that is still unexplored concept and is still not being used by majority of AI users. It has huge potential. It can simplify and boost the whole problem-solving process. In today's lab, we are going to look into 3 fantastic real-world examples. So without any delay, let's get into it. So here we have this image, and this image contains some code. As of now, let's assume we don't know anything about this configuration, and we are going to understand this code with the help of ChatGPT. So let's upload this JPG file, and I'm going to write a prompt. Can you analyze this image and explain to me what is it all about? And here is the response. It compared both files and gave us high-level overview of both normal pod and as well as the secure pod. Let's look at another example. This time, we will analyze Apache Web Server log file. I am going to attach my log file and write a prompt. Can you identify unusual IP addresses and error codes in my Apache logs over last 24 hours? Let's see what does it say. And here we can see ChatGPT provided a list of unusual IP addresses, not just unusual IP addresses, but also what these IPs are doing. For example, first IP made multiple attempts accessing a certain file. And we can also see list of error codes in the log file. So in this log analysis example, instead of randomly looking at the whole log file, we started our investigation with looking at specific details. For example, unusual IP addresses or error codes. And based on that output, we can refine our query and guide AI to find resolutions. Let's look at one more example. Let's take a look at another example, and this is going to be really interesting one. In this example, we will see how reverse prompt engineering can provide a competitive advantage and help with SEO, search engine optimization, and marketing strategies. Here I'm looking at this product listed on Amazon. I copied this product description or title as it is, and I'm going to ask, can you reverse prompt title of this product listed on Amazon? And then I will paste that title here. And here we can see ChatGPT provided some response, but it can be improved. So let's further refine our prompt. So I'm going to ask what prompts could have been used to create this title. And here we can see ChatGPT provided few possible prompts that could have been used to create that title on Amazon. And this trick can be used to create better technical blogs and articles and better marketing strategies. And there we go. We completed our lab. So in this lab, we saw reverse prompt engineering is not just about asking questions. It's about understanding the problem and guiding AI towards resolution to find the resolution. So with prompt engineering, we have a query and we are looking for a response. With reverse prompt engineering, we have some input data and we are trying to work backward to find desired outcome. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.